What's up, everybody? Baron Von Stroud coming at you with another BVS action figure review. Today, from Diamond Select Toys, we're looking at their Series 3 Aragorn from the Lord of the Rings license that they have. So this is a license they picked up last year. This is, of course, Series 3. I love the look of these figures. The packaging is really, really nice. They're that Diamond Select, so they come in like that 1/10 scale, a little bit bigger than 1/12. This is Series 3. The other series here are Legolas, Gimli, Frodo, and the Nazgul. And then this series was Aragorn and the Moria Orc. And these gave you the last of the 6 pieces needed to build Sauron. Included in here are the arm and leg for Sauron, a torch, some weapons, and Aragorn himself. So we'll go ahead and take a look at Aragorn, show you what he's got as far as the figure, as far as articulation and stuff. So looking at the figure, the detail is, of course, really, really intricate on this. For the $30 figure, it's about where you expect it to be. Typical articulation out of the head. Double jointed arms on these. No butterfly joints or anything, just a ball joint there on the shoulder. It does also have the double jointed knees. Now, this will probably be a little stiff, so you may want to do a little heat treat on there. It doesn't come with any alternate hands or anything like that. Pretty standard articulation out of the figure. You get good posability. I found it a little bit difficult to try and stand, but you could use any kind of brace or base or anything to do that. Sword is all attached on there. Not bad. So you do get several weapons with him. You get the standard sword from when he's, Strider from the first couple movies. Also that elvish knife. The detail on this is absolutely amazing. I really do like the detail. Got like the mud on the jacket and the boots and stuff there. So really, really cool as far as that. Now, as far as the weapons, I don't think the sword he had prior to Andril, the Reforged Narsil, had a name. If it does have a name, please let me know in the comments. And then I don't think there's a name for the knife, but these are the weapons that are included. So cool that you got the new sword as well. So now, for how much you pay for these, you're looking at an MSRP of about $29.99. So considering all the weapons, now with the Build-A-Figure, maybe that's worth it. I don't know. When you factor in everything that's included, that kind of takes away from the figure for me, because you roughly get the same amount of stuff in like a Legend for $19.99. So that really brings the score of the figure down. And on this one, I got to say 7.5, which is disappointing. I love the Lord of the Rings franchise, but just this figure's cool and I'm glad I have it, but it's not like a must-have type thing. I don't know, maybe they'll get better in future releases. So we'll definitely have to wait and see what comes out as far as Diamond goes. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more of these or have any questions on the figure. And a cool bonus thing, one thing I think they could have done that really would have made it better, if you had made this a light up feature in the torch, that would have been infinitely cooler and really brought up the value of the figure. I know electronics aren't exactly cheap, but in my opinion, this could have put this figure real over the top. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.